In this video, we will learn how to enable dark mode in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. If you want to dark mode in Google Sheet, just add in tab and just write Chrome colon double slash and write just flags and just enter. Here search dark mode. Okay. Then you can see here auto dark mode for web contents. Just click on this arrow, click on the enable and click on the relaunch. That's it. You can see here the dark content is enabled. It means the Google Sheet also in dark content. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.